Mubango wa thirikari wa kwandika wira makurutu 10,000 ya borithi ni utungitio igutha thutha wa igoti inene kurugamia mihang'o iyo nginyagia cira ria wandikithitio uthikiririo na utuithanio. Itua riri rikinyaniirio ni mucirithania HELLEN WASILWA uria wathite ruhonge rwa borithi rutiganirie mihang'o iyo iria ratanyitwo kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio guothe bururi-ini. Kuringana na muteti Harun Mwao uria uhandite cira uyu, wira wa kwandika makurutu wa borithi uthukiirwo munene wa borithi ni gatiba ya bururi, no ti kamiti ya kuramata mirutire ya wira ya maabitha a borithi iria niyo yaniriire mieke iyo tariki 19 mweri muhituku. Kurumirira itua riri ruhonge rwa borithi kugerera ndumiriri irekereirio ni mwaria waruo Muciri Nyaga ni rwaniriire kurugamia mihang'o iyo rwetereire itua ria muthia ria igoti. O kahinda-inĩ kau minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen orĩtie igoti rĩteanĩrie itua rĩu nĩguo kũhe rũhonge rwa borithi mweke wa kwandĩka makurutu aya makĩria nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri bũrũri-inĩ.
There is a shortage of police officers in many parts of the country, and Jukwaa la Usalama, as they raised, initially we wanted to employ 3,500 police officers to recruit. But because of that, we requested His Excellency the President to work to bring us together with Treasury, and it was agreed that we hire 10,000 police officers that we are recruiting from tomorrow. So from tomorrow, there will be a recruitment process. I'm aware, of course, that there was a legal process in court, and one of the judges has given an order to stop the recruitment process. I believe that that will be sorted. I wish I would call the judge directly. I wish I would be allowed to call the judge directly to understand the consequences of a court order stopping recruitment of police that has never happened for the last 4 years, and how it is very critical for the safety of our country to recruit those police officers urgently, not just because of anything else, to secure our borders.
Mihang'o ya woyani wa makurutu wa borithi ukoretwo rugamitio kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 kumana na wagi wa kigina gia kwandika maabitha erũ a borithi wira, na oho kurumirira ngucanio gatagati ga kamiti ya kuramata mirutire ya wira ya maabitha a borithi na munene wa borithi iguru ria no wagirirwo ni gutongoria mihang'o eno.
There are many police officers who have retired, some have passed on, and we need to replace and to bring energetic police officers who will be trained on time to even help us support the next elections. So I hope that the judge will watch my speech so that I don't need to call her, and will apply reason to make sure that that process is opened very quickly to ensure that our country can recruit the police officers they need so badly as a country. And I'm sure that our situation will be resolved in that issue.